Hello, my name is Karim Arafat. I'm the Product Marketing Manager for Bosch Communication Systems covering the Middle East region. Today I'm standing here at Bosch stand at ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, and I would like to demonstrate to you the latest additions we have to our commercial audio family from Bosch. We have our PLENA Matrix digital sound system installed over here, where we have the Matrix controller and two different options of amplifiers. Also, we do have a very wide range of commercial audio speakers for premium sound, including the LB20 range, featuring very flexible and easy installation technique, and comes in different sizes in 4-inch, 5-inch, 8-inch, and also a 10-inch dual subwoofer. In order to operate the system, we do have a call station for the system featuring capacitive touch, as you see, for 8 zones. Also, we have a wall module where we can control the music source and the volume control per zone. Also, we can control the system using an iPad application that supports all Apple devices, where we can select the zone and we can select the music source per zone, and also we can make the volume controls for each. This is only one of the products we have. We have so much more to come and see. We are waiting for you here in ISE in Amsterdam. Thank you very much.